The queen of the kitchen! Yo, come on, look at this. You cannot touch that. No, you cannot. She's the queen of the freaking chicken. I mean, kitchen. Yep. We got a mix-up over there. This is how it should look like when you take it out of the oven. We're gonna turn it about, give it another minute to dry, because we're gonna use it in a stew, right? Guess what meat this is? Yeah, just guess, try to guess. It looks so good. Woo. This is how you do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it over here. Girl, she done burnt it. I mean roasted.